energy. Last week, I managed to drag my knee. Today, we're gonna focus more on technique rather than just dragging the knee. We're gonna do some new exercises, which is exciting, scary at the same time. We're gonna try to not crash too many times. God damn it! Most importantly, just have fun. Grab some snacks, something to drink, and enjoy the video.
Adesso mi raccomando, molla il gas quando vai a cambiare, eh?
Oopsie!
Can you see the white spot?
Yeah.
Once we arrive there, we start braking with 2 fingers here. Nothing, we need to stop by there.
Okay.
Com'è?
Amazing! Woo!
Now we look at like 2 or 3 cones ahead.
Okay.
Do not look at the first, otherwise you go against it. We just try to look a little bit further.
Yeah. Looking ahead doesn't work for much worse.
Now, once we need to turn on the right, we push a lot on the right here. If we need to go left, we push on left. Okay?
When there's gonna be water break, ask
don't know,
him next time.
Okay?
Ask him. Third?
Once you're doing your change of direction,
Yeah.
you need to go out of your bike more with the butt. One cheek up, one cheek down. let's
Okay.
say, okay?
Okay.
And then just open your leg as wide as you can.
Yeah.
And the opposite one need to be
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, that's
Show me.
maybe.
a little bit forward. Come closer to me. Okay. Better. Open leg. Okay. And rotate outside. Rotate.
Like this?
No. Okay, like this. And okay, very good. And rotate your ankle while you're doing.
Like
Okay.
this?
You need to rotate it. As you can see, if you rotate it, you can go much wider.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. What?
Tell me it's in neutral, please.
No, it's not.
It's okay. Thank you. Open your leg. Open the leg. Open the leg. Once you open your leg, you never close it. Okay? Because if you close it, you're doing your turn. Okay? If you open your leg to go down with the knee,
Yeah.
and then you close it,
Yeah.
you take away that support from the ground, and then you fall. You go outside with your knee.
Yeah.
You never close it till you finish with your turn.
Okay. Okay.
Same thing about the gas. Same thing about the gas. Okay. So always put in neutral while you're standing. Okay. Also about the gas, you need never to close it while you're doing your turn. Always the same, like this.
Okay.
And with your leg open as much as you can.
Okay.
Okay? Because if you close gas or leg, you're gonna fall. Surely.
Yeah. What?
Ti mando un ok.
Excusez-moi!
What's up? Why you stopped?
Because you were in my way!
Ah, sorry.
He turned it off!
Oh, yeah, I'm back.
Grazie! Yes, you're the best! Kept my fucking shoe. Oopsie.
I almost recorded.
Bro, because I saw you recording and I just knew I'm gonna crash.
My fault.
You went too much with your butt outside of the bike.
Oh.
And you close the leg. The thing
You
I told
keep
before,
telling me to.
do not close the leg.
Oh.
I always told you not to close the leg.
Fuck.
Not to close the leg, not to close the leg. You close the leg and you fell.
Okay. What? I need a break. Hey guys, so we are at the free bike track right now. As you can see over here as well. We are doing the training course. We had no idea it's gonna be this like physically demanding.
It's deadly. It's like 35. Deadly.
As you can see, I'm just like all sweating right now everywhere. It's disgusting. But we're having the time of our lives. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video as well. What am I doing wrong?
Show me. Let me see how you do it. Just
Whoa.
listen to me. Just listen to me.
Okay. Okay.
Do not watch me, watch what you're doing.
Okay.
Open the leg, open the leg, open. Right.
Whoa.
Bit more gas, okay?
But no, okay.
Open the leg. Rotate your hips, rotate.
Ah! I forgot that I need to, yeah.
You know what happened here?
No.
You close your leg.
I did?
Yes, you did. You need to push more with your feet and rotate your hips more.
Okay.
You're like this near to Germany to the left, okay?
I feel like I'm scratching with the foot all the time on
Okay,
this.
you need to be as closer as the bike as you can and just rotate it. Do not move it, okay? As you can see, mine are scratched too,
Yeah.
so it's okay.
Okay. Okay, that's it.
On your right, you're like super close.
Yeah, I know,
If
on the
you
right
open
I feel
tiny
very
bit
com-
more, you touch it. On
Yeah,
the
I
left,
feel
a
very
little
comfortable on the right one, but on the left one is just...
Get closer to the gas tank.
What?
bit. Yes.
A little bit closer to the tank. Okay. You need to open your leg as wide as you can. Here. Alright?
Okay.
Not at the end of the turn.
Oh, okay.
Brother, come on. Okay,
Molto bene.
Oopsie. Woo! Okay, that's it. That's it. Woo!
How was it?
Scary. I mean, not scary. It was really fun. Yes, ready, fucking hell.
Is it clear for you? You want to do it a couple times together?
I got it.
You
I
got
think
it?
so, yeah.
Okay.
Am I doing it right? I feel confused.
Are you tired?
No,
Why you stop?
because I'm confused. I don't know. What am I doing wrong?
We need to do things slowly paced. We don't need to rush at the very
Yeah,
end.
yeah, yeah,
Okay, for
yeah.
now, just keep it this way. It's good. Okay. Just one thing. You don't need to give gas inside the turn. We need just to keep the gas closed. And you will feel then the front part starts closing like this. Or like this. Once you feel it starts closing, you can give it a little gas. now on, we need to brake. Once we do it in the straight part, we give full gas, and then we brake. We brake, make our turn, and then accelerate again after the turn. Okay, I show you how it's done. I know it sounds strange for you because we mediate 3 hours.
Yeah.
I always told you to keep the gas even inside the turn. But actually, once we're riding in the real life, we never give gas inside the turn, right?
Yeah.
We give gas once we're getting out of the turn.
Okay. Yeah.
This is a more realistic situation. You need to brake, close the gas, and keep the gas closed till the exit. We are doing it slow, so you can feel the bike falling down or something, but it's normal. Okay? You ready?
Yeah. I don't understand when I brake, when I do what.
Sorry?
I don't understand. Like, you brake fully when
Yeah.
going straight?
Exit from the turn, give full gas,
Yeah.
arrive at the turn,
Yeah.
and you brake.
Before the turn.
Yes, of course.
How do you turn then? There's no speed.
You don't need speed. You need your gas closed.
Fucking hell.
Yeah, I know.
Amazing!
No one said it was easy. It's a pain in the ass to learn how to ride a bike.
Yes.
If you ever read in maybe like 2-3 years of your life, then you come here and you learn it because you don't know how to drive.
Yes.
Basically. Brake harder.
Harder even?
Yeah. You need to brake a lot harder.
What the fuck?
Do you know what trail braking is?
Yes, when you move it, release from
You
the
need to
curve.
trail brake here.
Okay.
Trust the bike
Yeah.
into going down.
Yeah.
And that's it. Alright. You good?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm always good.
In this case, very simply, too much gas.
Oh.
Now it's better. Okay. Once you need to accelerate, open this motherfucking gas, please. Once you need to make turns, close this gas. But it's better than before. Actually. Okay? Right?
Ouch, yes.
You're sad.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's do 50 minutes of pace. Okay?
Okay.
So we just relax a bit.
Yeah.
Work on the technique, work on knee, and we're good.
God damn it!
Alright? You happy?
No! I'm good!
You almost died, you know. Relax. Relax the hand. Don't squeeze the hand down, alright? Relax. gonna lose the front. Okay?
Okay.
Again,
Good.
come on. Like 5 centimeters.
Wow! I mean, I'm still up, so that's a win. Yes. Thank you.
Let's just stop maybe. Yeah. You'll probably just die. It's normal. We are done.
It's okay. I had a series of scraping.
What?
I had a series of scraping knees 10 in a row.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you too.
Oh.
See you next time.
Yeah, see you next time.
Right. High five.
Thank you. I just finished another 2 hours of the course with pit bikes. It was quite a lot, I'm not gonna lie. Last time I feel like the learning process and adapting to the technique was easier for me. Today the exercises and I don't know, just mentality wasn't there at all. I was crashing on every curve almost. I did manage to put my knee down a couple times. However, I wanted to more focus on the technique rather than just scraping the knee. It wasn't very bad, but it wasn't very good. I really wish I could go to the track again and learn more. I managed to actually learn stuff that I didn't know of or I forgot during the process of just riding the bikes. And I definitely would say that every motorcycle rider should go to the track at least once during the year. You learn there the stuff that you forgot or you didn't even know of, and then they can actually save you from crashing your bike, especially in curvy roads. Go to that track, drag that knee, but most importantly, learn the proper technique, learn how to use your bike and how to ride actually. Thank you so much for watching all my crashes and see ya.